Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook fettuccine pasta. First, select a large pot to ensure your pasta has ample space to move freely. For every gallon of water you use, add 1 tablespoon of salt. This seasons the pasta from the inside out. Bring this salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil before you even think about adding your pasta. This initial step is crucial for perfectly cooked noodles. Once your water is at a rapid boil, gently add the fettuccine. Don't just drop it in, ease it into the pot. Stir the pasta occasionally during cooking to prevent the strands from sticking together, ensuring each piece cooks evenly. For that ideal al dente texture, cook your fettuccine for about 10 to 13 minutes. Keep an eye on it, as cooking times can vary slightly. To determine if your pasta is perfectly cooked, simply taste a single strand. It should be firm to the bite, not mushy. Before you drain the pasta, remember to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid gold is fantastic for adjusting your sauce's consistency later. Immediately after tasting, drain the pasta thoroughly using a colander, but do not rinse it. Now for the best part. Immediately after draining, toss your hot fettuccine with your favorite sauce. The warmth of the pasta will help the sauce adhere beautifully. If your sauce seems a little too thick, gradually add some of that reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you achieve your desired consistency. Serve your delicious fettuccine immediately for the ultimate culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.